With just a small machine and a bit of space in your garage, you can start creating real products and turning them into income. No need for massive equipment or a huge budget, just the right tool and the drive to get started. In this video, you'll see 12 powerful machines that you can start using at home. Machines that actually produce something useful, sellable, and profitable. Coffee roaster machine. Here's what most people don't realize. The real money isn't in brewing coffee, it's in roasting it. Small coffee roasting machines designed for home businesses start around $1,300 for basic models. Professional units with 1 to 2 kilo capacity run between $3,000 to $8,000. These aren't massive industrial beasts. Most are about the size of a microwave and plug into standard outlets. Here's the beautiful math. Green coffee beans cost $4 to $7 per pound. After roasting, those same beans sell for $12 to $20 per pound retail. You're literally adding value through heat and time. A 12-ounce bag of specialty coffee that cost you about $3 to produce sells for $15. Your edge is freshness. Those bags at the grocery store might be months old. The learning curve exists, but it's manageable. Start with single-origin beans. Dial in a few roast profiles and build your reputation one bag at a time. Laser rust removal machine. Portable laser rust removal machines use focused light beams to strip rust, paint, and grime off metal surfaces without chemicals or sandblasting. Entry-level handheld units start around $5,000 for 100 to 200 watt models. More powerful 1,000 to 1,500 watt machines run $6,500 to $15,000. These compact units are about the size of a large toolbox and incredibly satisfying to operate. The market is everywhere you look. Classic car enthusiasts need parts restored. Contractors have rusty tools and equipment. Antique dealers want cast iron cookware brought back to life. Local businesses have metal fixtures that need cleaning. Even homeowners will pay to have patio furniture or old tools restored instead of replaced. Pricing is flexible but profitable. You might charge $50 to $100 per hour for restoration work. Desktop CNC Plasma Cutter. If you've ever admired custom metal artwork or wondered how those perfect steel brackets get made, you're looking at plasma cutting. Desktop CNC plasma cutters bring industrial metal fabrication to your garage. Entry-level systems like the Crossfire start around $1,500 for a complete table. Professional setups run $4,000 to $8,000 depending on cutting area and features. These machines use computer-controlled plasma torches to cut intricate shapes from sheet metal with incredible precision. The applications are endless. Custom metal signs for businesses, decorative wall art for homes, automotive brackets and parts, fire pit grills and outdoor furniture, even simple steel organizers for garages and workshops. Each project starts as a flat piece of metal and becomes something valuable through computer-guided cutting. Your competitive advantage is speed and customization. Custom car parts that would take weeks to order can be cut in your garage in hours. Wood lathe for wood turning. Wood lathes let you create bowls, pins, candlesticks, and other turned objects that command premium prices as handmade goods. Quality mid-sized lathes suitable for business use cost $800 to $2,000. Add basic turning tools and you're ready to start. These machines aren't huge. Most fit comfortably in a garage corner and run on standard household power. The market loves handmade wooden items. Custom pins sell for $20 to $60 each and cost maybe $5 to make. Decorative bowls bring $50 to $200 depending on wood type and size. Rolling pins, pepper mills, and other kitchen items are always in demand. Your raw materials can be incredibly cheap. Screen printing setup. Custom apparel is everywhere, and most of it starts in small screen printing operations. A basic screen printing setup for a garage business costs $500 to $2,000 for a manual press, screens, inks, and basic equipment. Add screens, squeegees, inks, and a small flash dryer, and you're ready to print custom t-shirts, hoodies, and promotional items. The learning curve is gentle, and you can be producing sellable products within days. The profit margins are excellent. A custom t-shirt that costs you $5 to produce sells for $15 to $25. school spirit wear, local business logos, event merchandise. Everywhere you look, organizations need custom apparel. The market is massive and constantly renewing. Your advantage is flexibility and speed. While online companies require minimum orders and weeks of lead time, you can print small batches quickly. A local restaurant needs 12 shirts with their logo. You can have them ready tomorrow. That responsiveness commands premium pricing. Industrial sewing machine. While regular sewing machines handle light fabrics, industrial machines power through leather, canvas, denim, and upholstery materials. Heavy-duty industrial sewing machines cost $800 to $3,000 and open doors to high-value leather goods and repair services. Leather accessories are always in demand. Custom wallets, belts, holsters, and bags command serious prices because people value handcrafted quality. A leather belt that costs $10 in materials sells for $60 to $100. Custom motorcycle seats or car upholstery can bring hundreds of dollars per project. Repair services provide steady income. Boat covers, furniture upholstery, heavy canvas items. These repairs require industrial-strength machines that most people don't have access to. You become the go-to person for jobs that regular sewing machines can't handle. Vacuum forming machine. Vacuum forming shapes heated plastic sheets over molds to create custom parts and products. Small tabletop vacuum formers cost $800 to $3,000 and can produce everything from product packaging to cosplay armor. The process is straightforward. Heat a plastic sheet until it's pliable, vacuum it down over a mold, let it cool, and trim the edges. What emerges is a precisely formed plastic part that matches your mold exactly. Applications range from practical to creative. Custom product packaging for small businesses, replacement parts for appliances or vehicles, prototype housings for inventions, even specialized organizers and containers sell well online. The key is finding niches where custom plastic parts solve specific problems. Molds can be 3D printed, carved from foam, or machined from wood. This means you can create products that don't exist anywhere else. Someone needs a custom tray for their toolbox, a specialized cover for outdoor equipment. You can design and produce it. The material costs are minimal. Food dehydrator. Commercial-grade food dehydrators transform fresh ingredients into shelf-stable snacks that command premium prices. Professional dehydrators cost $200 to $1,000 and can process large quantities of fruit, vegetables, and meat. Healthy snacks are trending hard. Beef jerky sells for $20 per 4-ounce bag. Fruit leather, dried apple chips, vegetable crisps. People pay serious money for natural, preservative-free snacks made in small batches. Your edge is quality control and unique flavors. While mass-produced jerky uses artificial ingredients, you can create gourmet versions with natural seasonings and premium meat. Teriyaki beef jerky, spicy turkey strips, or fruit combinations that don't exist in stores. The process is largely hands-off. Load the dehydrator, set the timer, and let it work overnight. Morning brings finished products ready for packaging and sale. Farmers markets, gas stations, and online sales provide multiple revenue streams. Local sourcing adds to your store and profit margins. Partner with nearby farms for fresh fruit and vegetables. Buy quality meat in bulk when it's on sale. Transform perishable ingredients into products that last months without refrigeration. Plastic shredder. Turn waste plastic into valuable products with a small recycling setup. Plastic shredders and extruders from the Precious Plastic Project cost $2,000 to $8,000 and let you create new products from discarded materials. The environmental angle sells itself. Collect plastic bottles, containers, and packaging, then transform them into useful items like coasters, bowls, or even 3D printer filament. Schools, makerspaces, and environmentally conscious customers love supporting local recycling efforts. Products made from recycled plastic carry a powerful story. That colorful cutting board started as milk jugs. Those garden planters were once detergent bottles. People pay extra for items that demonstrate environmental responsibility. The technical process involves shredding plastic waste into flakes, melting, and reforming it into new products. Machines are relatively simple to operate once you understand the basics. Online communities provide designs and support for everything from furniture to building materials. Revenue comes from both product sales and waste processing fees. Some operations charge businesses to take their recyclable plastic, then sell the finished products. It's literally getting paid twice for the same material. Key cutting machines provide steady income through a simple, essential service. Professional key duplicators cost $500 to $3,000 and can handle everything from house keys to automotive keys. Everyone needs spare keys, and most people prefer quick local service over trips to distant locksmiths. Set up in your garage and market to neighbors, local businesses, and property managers. Each key copy takes minutes and costs pennies to produce, but sells for $3 to $8. Property management companies are gold mines for key cutting services. When tenants move out, landlords need multiple copies for new renters, maintenance staff, and emergencies. Real estate agents constantly need spare keys for showings and lockboxes. Automotive keys without electronic components are particularly profitable. Classic car owners need spares for vehicles that dealers no longer support. Motorcycle, ATV, and equipment keys provide additional revenue streams beyond standard house keys. The business model is beautifully simple. Stock key blanks maintain your cutting equipment and provide faster service than competitors. Location matters less when you offer mobile service or pickup and delivery. Small pellet mills compress sawdust, agricultural waste, and biomass into fuel pellets or animal feed. Compact pellet mills cost $1,500 to $5,000 and create valuable products from waste materials. Wood pellets for heating stoves sell for $6 to $8 per 40-pound bag. Production costs are minimal when you source sawdust from lumber yards or sawmills. Many operations get wood waste for free because mills want it removed from their property. Animal feed pellets serve rural markets with chickens, rabbits, and other livestock. Custom feed blends command higher prices than generic options. Organic or specialty feeds for exotic animals can be particularly profitable. The process is mechanical but straightforward. Feed material into the mill, monitor moisture content and pressure, bag the finished pellets. Most small mills can produce several hundred pounds per hour once dialed in properly. Distribution works through farm stores, heating supply retailers, and direct sales to end users. Many successful operations started by serving local customers, then expanded as demand grew. Rubber stamp manufacturing requires minimal equipment but serves the stamp-making systems, costs $60 to $500, and can produce detailed stamps in minutes. Every business and organization uses rubber stamps. Address stamps, logo stamps, approval stamps. The applications are endless. Each stamp costs $2 to $5 to produce, but sells for $15 to $30. The process uses photosensitive materials and UV light to create detailed stamp plates. Take a customer's design, expose it onto the stamp material, mount it in a handle, and deliver a finished product. Most orders can be completed same day. Marketing works through office supply stores, business service centers, and direct online sales. Notaries need official seals. Businesses want address stamps, and organizations require custom approval stamps. The demand is steady and predictable. Profit margins are excellent because material costs stay low while perceived value remains high. A $20 stamp might cost $3 to produce, leaving healthy profit even after overhead and labor. Wooden cutlery making machine. Environmental regulations and consumer preferences drive demand for wooden disposable utensils. Wooden cutlery machines cost $4,000 to $12,000 and can produce thousands of pieces per hour. Restaurants, food trucks, and catering companies need alternatives to plastic utensils. Wooden forks, knives, and spoons provide the eco-friendly solution that regulations increasingly require. The market is growing rapidly as plastic bans expand. Your advantage is local supply and customization. While mass-produced wooden cutlery is generic, you can offer custom branding, better quality, or unique designs. Local businesses prefer supporting local suppliers when price and quality are competitive. Raw materials are inexpensive, thin wood sheets or veneer. The key is sourcing food-safe wood and maintaining consistent quality. Production runs can be planned around events, seasons, or customer orders. Distribution works through direct sales to food service businesses, wholesale to distributors, or private label arrangements with larger companies. Once established, contracts provide predictable revenue streams. Finally, the key isn't finding the perfect machine. It's picking one that matches your interests, budget, and local market opportunities. Some require more technical skill, others more marketing savvy. Some need significant upfront investment, others can start small and grow. But they all share one crucial characteristic.